国际新闻来看，美国哥伦比亚特区联邦巡回上诉法院昨驳回美国前总统川普的上诉，佮裁定讲川普未当佮有总统豁免权。也毋过川普的团队是表示讲，因会佮再上诉。
针对美国前总统川普承受绝对的联邦起诉豁免权，哥伦比亚特区联邦巡回上诉法院设立驳回美国前总统川普的上诉，维持下级法院认定川普无有总统豁免权的裁决。
Well, essentially what they've ruled is that executive immunity only can protect a president during his time in office, during his time of service. Once he leaves the White House, he has no more rights than any other citizen. He becomes Citizen Trump rather than President Trump, and they use that exact language.
裁决书指出，并接受前总统了后，伫所有时间拢伫法律之上，所以本来应伫伊做总统期间保护伊行政豁免权，拢免阁保护伊免受这一摆起诉。这是哥伦比亚特区的法官3个月来第2摆驳回川普，是要伫被捕推翻自控大选结果的罪名有总统豁免权的论点。川普团队发声明表示，川普未同意这裁决，会阁上诉。
Trump is, of course, the Republican frontrunner in the 2024 presidential race, and he and his lawyers are trying hard to postpone each of his cases as far back as possible, including until after the election, if possible. Jack Smith's team, by contrast, is trying to get this case resolved this year.
川普遭到联邦刑事起诉了后，各种法院检视伫法庭一直失败。不过，伊的律师团依然设法将联邦官司裁决时程延到自控制4年11月大选投票日了后。伊目前伫共和党总统候选人竞选，显示依然走伫头前。若佮当选总统所牵涉的联邦刑案可能会撤销。公司新闻陈伟仁报道。